perfect. Just make it look good. Here we go. Lift-hanger action working. All right, closing the gap. Look at that aggressive approach. Get tight. Oh! Go, hit number 2. KOD. Ben Bader taking the lead. With action. We talked 2 big ones out of both things rolling. Let's get them fired up. Somebody's pumped up out there. That's what it's about. Woo! Big ol' deal. Let's make the noise. Going to holy. Oh. Going for it. I'm in one. Let's see what he's got. Points for the series. Working to get fired up out there. This is final. Going for a triple tap on that. Behind the back flip with that. One-handed ending grasp at the end of the show tonight. But right now, working it up. Execution nice. Leading the way. Going into a holy number 2. He can throw or win like no other. He decides. That's next. You're bumped up. Just make them know. Point system, but we already know he can dig deep. Oh, yeah, on the backflip. Run. Oh, whip flip. Second flag, Mr. Great for all the riders, the autographs, and all the little blocks. And we got toy motorcycles, all kinds of good stuff. We'll see you over at the autograph table. Thank you very much, and this one's for you.
Might have to stand up.